morning, sir. So I am going to perform the SQL injection. So let's start. First is to paste the link, then execute it. So we are here in the login pages. So let's do the first one. And now let's try to enter the username and password as admin, and then admin, then submit. So it prompts us a SQL query, which is select all from users where name is equals to admin and password is equals to admin. So it successfully logged in. How about if we try some different informations like random ones? Username for as my name, Adrian, then submit, and it will say here wrong username or password. So what we need to do is to make a SQL query which is a valid SQL query in order for us to bypass this login page. So what we need to do is to put here single quote space or, then single quote 1 single quote, then is equals to single quote 1, then do it also for the password, copy and then paste it, then submit. So it successfully logged in. So that is how to bypass the first login page. And now let's do the second login page, this one. So enter the default, let's try to enter the default credentials. So admin, then admin, then submit. Successfully log in. So how about if we try to do some random credentials like anything, my name, then my name. It says here wrong username or password, and then let's try to use the previous one that we made in the login form number 1 here, this query, and also do it for the password. So submit, and it says here that the page at this link says special characters are not allowed. So how to do this one, how to fix this one, is to open the post data, go to post data, and then let's try to use the username, then is equals to single quote or, then 1, then double dash space dash, and password passwd is equals to 1, this one ASD SDA is equals to single quote and submit, then single quote capital S, submit, then enter, then execute and see if this is working. So it says here that it was successfully logged in. Next, let's do the login page number 3, this one. Okay, first use the default credentials, which is admin, then admin, then hit submit. So successfully logged in. How about we try random credentials? Let's see if it's working. Nope, it's not. it says here wrong username or password. How about the first one that we made, this one, and also for the password, and it's the same, wrong username and password. So how to bypass this one is by using this one, single quote, close parenthesis, space, or then 1 is equals to open parenthesis, then 1, and same for the password. Let's copy this one and put it in the password, then hit submit. So that is how to bypass the login page number 3. Next is the login page number 4. Okay, first let's try the correct credentials, or the default one is admin, then admin. So successfully login. Then let's do the random one, like for example Adrian, then random password. So it says here wrong username and password. How about let's try the one that we use in the login page number 3, which is single quote, then close parenthesis, or then 1 is equals to single open parenthesis, single quote, then 1. Copy, paste in password field, and submit. So we cannot use that one. So how are we going to fix this? Is by using this valid statement, which is almost the same as this one, but in this one we're gonna use the double quotation like this, and also for this one double quotation, then copy, then paste password, then hit submit. So as you can see, it was successfully logged in. So that is how you bypass the login security number 4. And lastly, login page number 5. Okay, so first let's try to use some random credentials, which is for example Tom, and password is my name, then hit submit. So it says here wrong username, password. How about if we try the default credentials, admin, then admin, then submit, and still we cannot log in. So what we have here is a SQL query which says select all from users where name is equals to admin, and as you can see, the password here is some random numbers, which means that the password is encrypted in MD5 or MD5 encrypted values. So in order for this to bypass, we need to use the first one that we used in the login form number 1. So what we're gonna do is to put single quote, or then 1 is equals to 1, then double dash, then single dash, and then single quote, then copy, then paste it in the password field, and then try it. Let's try it if it's gonna work, then submit. So yeah, successfully logged in. So that is how you bypass the login page number 5.